Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to block messages on X. So actually there are three options available depending on what goal you pursue. So the first option will be to block DM, the second option will be to close your DMs, and the last option to mute DMs. So let's go through all those three ways. Open X application on your phone, and the first option is to stop everyone from messaging you. So tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and scroll down to settings and privacy, then enter section privacy and safety right here and go to direct messages. And now find section that says allow message requests from, and instead of setting everyone, you have to select verified users. In this way, only people who follow you, who you follow on X, will be able to message you. So yes, the second option will be to block a specific person's messages. So you have to go to DM with them by tapping this letter icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and open specific chat with the person, and you have to tap their profile picture at the top side of the screen. And yeah, now we have to choose block DM and confirm by tapping block button. This way they will not be able to DM you again or interact with your posts. And now the third option, the last one, is muting instead of block. So it's kind of softer option, but still. Open DM with the specific person that you want to mute, tap their profile picture in the top corner of your screen, and select mute snooze notifications. So you have to enable this function and set period of time for which you want to snooze those notifications. Let's select forever. And you will still technically receive messages, but you will get no alerts. So that means you have peace from this person. So yeah, that were the main ways how we can block messages on X application. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.